What up, y'all? As you can see, the garage is getting a little fucking full. We got the Grom, my buddies, Scooter, other Puck. See a couple new bikes sitting here. Picked these bad boys up this morning. I'll fucking pull them out of here and I'll show you a better look at them. All right, so we got two SSR pit bikes. Cheap Chinese bullshit, just how we like it. This first one is 125. Pretty sure, could be a 110. 107 right there. So this is a 110. They told me it was a 125. I was pretty sure it was a 110. And then this bigger one right here, doesn't say, but apparently this is a 150. So we got a 110 and a 150. Picked both these up from a yard sale that I seen on Facebook Marketplace this morning. Got them both for $430. And they both run. Not great, but they do run. So I'm gonna be doing a little like fix and flip series on these, if you will. So they need a few things. I need to go through both the carbs. This one won't even stay idling. This one kind of stays idling a little bit. I know the exhaust is pretty fucking loose down at the headers. Need to go through the carbs. Front tire is shot. And a few other little minor things just to button them up. Gonna give them a good bath. And we're gonna see how much we can flip these bad boys for on Marketplace. All right, got her up on my super fucking legit dirt bike stand. Works fucking beautifully. Gonna get to pulling this carb off, but first, you know, we gotta have a little drink. Crack that bad boy open. Cheers. Fuck yeah, let's pull this carb. All right, got the carb torn apart here. It's actually really clean. Looks, I'm gonna give it a good wipe. A little bit of gunk build up in here. But yeah, it looks cleaner than I thought it was going to. Bowl looks good. The gas that's in here doesn't look too bad, honestly. But it's super clean. Our little gasket looks fine. Go ahead and put that back in there. Main jet looks great. You guys probably won't be able to see through it, but I can. And the pilot was a little bit clogged. Gave her a quick little blow. That's what she said. And she's good to go. So I'm gonna give this just a little bit of a wipe out, get some of the gunk out of there, and then we're gonna put it back together. Well, drain the oil, and it actually doesn't look horrible. Looks pretty new, but that doesn't look great. There's one good sized metal shaving, decent amount of sludge buildup. So yeah, we're gonna send it either way. I'm gonna put this back in and fill her up with some fresh oil. Got the bars adjusted. Gonna go over the motor mounts, and this back wheel, you can tell, is a little slanted to the left. So I gotta loosen this up and get that straight. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. back. Got some cheap, shitty oil. Fuck. Got some gas. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with oil, top her off with gas, and we're gonna see how she runs. Alright, spilled gas all over the fucking place, but she got oil, carbs clean, she got gas. Right here she bogs out a little bit when I rev her, but she's idling. Fucking barely. Might turn that up a little bit more. All right. I'll put you on my helmet. Let's go take her for a rip. What is up, guys? So it's the next day now. I did not get a chance to rip this thing last night, but we're gonna take her for a little rip. Probably go to the car wash because she's fucking filthy. Give her a little bath. See how she runs. We'll see if she even starts today. First kick, I'm calling it. Nope. That counts. Fuck, up for first. Fucking off on the 110, baby. I had one of these a few months ago that I bought for $100. That was before I even started the channel. Fucking don't want to drop my phone. Back brakes barely work. I mean, they work, but they're mushy. Front brakes are good. Man, it's weird not having a clutch. The shifting is a little fucked up on this thing. I gotta adjust the lever down, I think. Fuck yeah, what up, brother? Brother! Man, it's crazy. They make these 110s street legal from the factory. That's nuts, man. I can't even believe that. Totally street legal. That's fucking crazy. Dude, she runs pretty good. Not bad little ripper. Got a new microphone on the GoPro, so hopefully the audio's better on these POVs than it was in my previous moto vlogs. Here we are, baby. Dude, no way, there's a pet wash here? Alright, let's get this fucker cleaned up. Yeah, baby. Oh, don't spray the exhaust. Fuck out of here. Spray your mom next time. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. What the fuck is that? Somebody's floor mats? Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
What size is it?
Just a little 110. Yeah.
I had a 125. That was my favorite bike.
Fuck yeah. I got a 125 in the garage. They're fun, bro. Man, I will tell you, the fucking homeless people around here are hella chill. Almost every time I'm out on any of the bikes, they're talking to me. Yo, nice bike, bro. They're always they're hella chill around here. They're hella nice. Woo. Fuck yeah. Fucking. Fucking ripping. Fuck yeah, brother. Fucking walking her. Fuck yeah. Oh shit. Alright, I guess that would be it for this video. Got the 110 running, did a little bit of ripping. Fucking, I still gotta get the 125 going, and then I'm gonna be posting these for sale really soon. But I'm gonna keep them for a little while, go rip some trails around here. I'll probably do a video of that. So, yeah, I'll catch y'all guys later. Fucking drop a comment, drop a like, hit subscribe. I'll try to get videos out more regularly. I'd like to do like at least one video a week. That's kind of the schedule that I want to get on. So hopefully I'll be able to make that happen. Uh-oh. There's a police officer right there. Act natural. Hey! What up?
Is that the one that was working?
Yeah, the 110.
Just ripping it around?
Yeah, I just went and washed it. Just fucking ripping it around. That sheriff just drove right past me. Didn't fucking care at all. Yeah, I'll see ya. Alright, boys. That'll do her for this video. I'll fucking catch you on the next one. Have a good day. Peace out.